I got you. How are you guys? You alright? Yeah. Morning, morning. Book of Life. Morning, guys.
Morning, son.
Morning, morning. You good? How's the chest?
I can't wait to be getting home.
I know, tell me about it.
Monday, it's now Thursday.
You made it through, man.
Tonight, my own bed.
You made it through, man.
2.5 hours, mate. Don't worry about that.
I saw you slept nicely.
I did.
Yeah, I love that. You had your own corner as well. I know we was a bit loud.
Yeah.
I know,
all I could hear was you laughing.
Just like that, right?
Yeah, a little bit, but louder.
I know. I'm loud at the best of times, man. Almost there, man. Almost there.
Morning.
Morning, sir.
Alright.
Bonjour. You're trying to hide there. Morning, morning.
How are you? You alright?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you? You alright? Spezial Italia. Jackets are moving.
We better be on that page in the morning.
Alright.
What time's you going off?
I don't know, it depends on how tired I am when I get, but today I think I'll do it. If not, definitely tomorrow, but today.
I'll watch that.
Yeah. Don't worry, I'm not really gonna edit bits, yeah, I'm just gonna bloody fling it up.
You're laughing, lad.
Yeah. Bit of babe there, I see you. Yeah, gotta be done, gotta be done.
59p Pantheon t-shirt. 59p jumper.
Come on.
It's great, isn't it?
That's 59 pence off.
Who's paying the postage?
Let me get a gander at your pockets, man, because I fucking love this.
Go on then.
I know, go on.
Put us online.
Go on. Give me a little twirly, a little twirlage, as I like to say. Fucking sexy. Schmock life. Come on, you don't think you're hiding. Don't think you're hiding, mate.
Hey, we're getting one of them gold
Beautiful
plates.
piece.
We're getting one of them gold Yuzu plates. That's what we'll have.
Literally a plate sprayed gold.
I'll send you one in the phone.
I know.
There's Mickey. You alright, Mush?
They got the jacket in the window now.
Have they, yeah?
Yeah.
Have they?
Yeah, they do. Yeah, yeah. So now it's about to happen, isn't it? Oh, I think they're sorting out how they're gonna do it. I don't know. The guy's got a list or something. Oh no, they got jacket in the window. That's it.
Oh, is that what it is?
Yeah. Good night.
Yeah, let's have a look.
Nice one, brother.
We're coming back. Yeah, well. Cool, bro.
Yeah, all good, brother. I parked up right next to you.
Craig's gone in.
Oh, has he already? Let's find out.
The largest.
Suits you, sir.
Hurry up.
So, do you mind if I go in there?
It's free out, bro. Is it?
Oh, I'm not buying, I was just going to film.
I know, but you can film from here, alright, my friend?
Hungry.
Cheers. Thanks a lot.
Do you mind? Can I be the one?
1 minute, it's got a guy waiting for you.
Oh my god, you ain't got to be like that, bro. You know I'm not trying to push the queue. There's always one guy in there. Don't worry, I'll get your handsome face on camera. I know that's what it is, isn't it? Sorry, I'm not trying to. Don't mind me.
Yeah. Yeah. Take care.
Wait. You come.
Got me book, and he got me book signed
I
as
see
well.
you got your book.
Yeah.
Good man. Happy man?
Yeah, I am, yeah.
Good man. Well done. Well done,
Cheers,
man.
See you later. I'm buzzing, my friend. I am buzzing. Talk man.
Craig, happy?
I'm more than happy, mate. I've tried jacket on. It's absolutely belting. The trainers are proper.
Good man. You got the
Fucking
book.
worth it. 3 days worth it.
You got the shoes.
Yeah, I got the book.
You got the book.
Got the book.
You'll
and
love the book.
jacket.
Good man. Look at you. You're flossing.
It's 50 years of history of CP.
I did see that, yeah.
Second book
Feeling
after
like a
ideas.
god, yeah?
I feel like it's been worth it. I know that.
Good man.
There's going to be a lot of disappointing people here. I'm not one of them.
Don't say that. I don't want to be one of them. I don't want to be one of them.
Make sure you hold your bag.
Yeah, I know, right? Watch your back,
Just
Craig.
be careful.
Yeah, exactly. Watch your back. So there you go. I'm hoping that they magically tell me my size is there and I'll be a super happy man. If not, someone's got 3 10s, I can't remember who it is. I can't remember who it is. No, but it's too late, man. You're all over the video. Don't worry, I'll have to put.
I'll just blur the face.
I'll have to blur it. I know. I'll have to blur it out.
Yeah, cheers.
Got it.
All the best guys.
Nice one.
If you just stay slow.
Yeah, it fits.
Parts will take it off, but
Yeah, I'm good. It's
worth having a go, isn't it?
half a march away, so I'm like,
I'll get you for the camera, obviously. Ooh. Did you get your
I just got a bolt.
you didn't get the jacket.
Yeah, nah. I wish I had.
Nah, don't matter. Did you say birthday?
Birthday?
Yeah,
no,
is it your
June.
birthday?
No, June.
Ah, fuck it. Any excuse, innit?
Yeah, of course it is.
Nice one, man. Smashed it. Look at him, as happy as Larry. Checking the money. Yeah, I love it. I love that, please. Thank you.
On the money?
Nice.
I'm going to sit back down on my chairs half an hour.
Sorted.
I'm going to sit back down on my
Sometime
chairs
now.
for half an hour.
Take care, mate.
Alright, brother. Nice one. Take care, man. Well done, Kieran. Nice one.
Cheers, mate.
If I don't see ya, have a good one.
I've had your mates with Jimmy anyway.
Yeah.
I've had his numbers, so I'm coming down in December anyway.
Alright, yeah, let me know and then
I will do, mate, 100% for that.
the Stony store.
Yeah, I'm going to wait till you 20 minutes anyway for that.
Alright, yeah, nice one, man. Alright, guys, I don't know how many hours, but we fucking camped. We did it. We made it alive. We were alive, our kids. Yeah, and here's the shoes. I don't know if I can see what I'm filming this way. I can't. Oh no. Anyway, yeah, so here we go. Boom. Prep secured. Guys happy. Everyone chilling. Oh, we like this. Here we go. Ooh. J-RAGO with that opening of the box. Let me just move over here because my box is prey right now. Ooh. Ooh. No, he did not. No, he didn't. I think he did. Ooh, jeez. What is that? Canvas? What is that?
I like the suede. I thought they were leather.
I'm looking forward to it. Yeah, I'm not going to touch your pair too much because, you know, finger marks and all that, but fucking beautiful.
Well, just smile,
Yeah. I know. Oh my god, you look the dog's fucking bollocks holding those. I'm not gonna. Everything just matches.
Yeah, that's what winning tastes like.
Yeah. Nah, you guys won. And I'm happy you guys won one. You know what I mean? That's double winning.
Where'd you have that
Great
coat
work,
from?
by the way.
Where'd you have that coat from?
I bought this off eBay.
Fucking
Yeah,
so nice, isn't it?
Yeah, used. It's a nice sack. Yeah, nice
Nice
sack.
sack,
Like
yeah.
a million, it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice sack goggle jacket.
That's what I mean. Looks just like a milli I got in Dynafit. Yeah, Dynafit.
Nice sack, N-I-S,
Yeah.
A-C-K.
Yeah, and yes, that's it. NY.
NY.
Sack. NY sack. And it's got like a woolen NTP liner in it as well, detachable. So yeah, they go for cheap.
Proper nice.
230.
Nah, proper nice. Everyone's kitted looking good.
I will do.
What
Yeah.
are you after?
Sorry.
What are you after?
An 8.5, but I'm probably gonna make these
What was
work.
that? No.
This is an 8. This one. So
Hey.
yeah, I'll probably take that little.
I'm after a
out.
10, so if you do know anyone, just let me know.
Well, I've got Jimmy's number as well,
Yeah.
so if you get it off
Yeah,
him,
yeah, definitely.
and then
Alright, oh yeah, I'll get
I'll
it off
give
you.
both your numbers for when you come down and then.
Nice one. Well done, guys.
Yeah, well, I've got your
Yeah,
Insta.
Instagram,
I'll
yeah.
find you on YouTube, throw
Yeah.
that.
Alright, what's your name?
Taylor.
Taylor.
Yeah.
Taylor Kieran. Alright, good.
Oh yeah, I love that.
That's one of the things I love about anything, a fucking dust bag, and I'm a nerd, that's all.
Yeah, you know what'll happen with that? My kids will be
Beautiful.
trying to take you to school for a PE bag. Can I take this for PE? Dad?
I got so many dust bags, like it's just little collection ones,
I
foot
prefer
patrol
a tote,
stuff.
but the dust
Yeah.
is nice.
Dust is nice because the totes you're going to use it, the dust you're just going to put as a collector kind of thing. Do you know what I mean?
Right, I ain't gonna work. Fuck that.
Yeah, fuck work. Alright guys, so that is basically it. You already know what this is. This is Once We Are Not the Same, magazine dedicated to shit that I'm into. I'm your host, CP Company. You see what I did there? And it's been another episode of And Also, or maybe 2 Feet Bear Creps. Anyway, you already know what it is. Mad love. Shout out the gang. Do you know what I mean? And yeah, it's been dope.
Good night.
Yeah, it's been good, man.
Yeah.
Alright, in a bit. Peace.